A very good morning to all of you. Now, look at the example of the article writing. See the question. Write an article on the topic Laughter is the best medicine within 100 to 120 words by following the hints as given below. Now, hints. Laughter hyphen a blessing in disguise hyphen it is a treasure that can be wholeheartedly shared hyphen modern life is full of stress and tension hyphen good humor works as intoxicant means to reduce or to fight against the toxins means the poisonous elements in our lives. Toxin means poison. So, the things that are working as toxins in our lives, especially the depression, okay, almost in each and everybody's life, this very toxin or an element which is parallel to a toxin or a poison or it is very harmful. Okay? It is very harmful. So, it should be reduced. So, good humor, good joke, good sense of humor, okay, works as intoxicant. Now, next, hyphen reduces mental stress. Now, like this, many other hints are given. So, on the basis of these hints, you have to construct your article writing as I have done over here. Okay. Now, according to the pattern of the article writing, according to the CBSE's norms, okay, at first we are going to have the title at first. Okay. Here, laughter is the best medicine is the title that I have underlined as well as given at first according to the pattern of article writing. Next, I have written by ABC. Generally, students, in place of ABC, a writer's name has to be provided. Okay? In case of your answer sheets that you get for board examination or examinations, you cannot write down your name anywhere as according to your own desire. So, if any name is not given in the question itself, you can write down an imaginary name or better to say ABC or XYZ. Okay, that will suffice. Next, the body of the article writing is given. Now, students, let's go to the title at first, as I have told you. As you know that generally we have to focus on any real life incident or any issue that has taken place recently or a topic of major concern, or we can put forward any new idea or any new thing as the topic of our own article. So here, depression basically is killing a huge number of people as such from inside, and sometimes they are resorting to suicide or they have suicidal tendencies for having depression in their lives. So, laughter is the only thing that can provide them happiness from within, or the therapy of laughter can relieve them from so much of stress, or better to say, can relieve us, each and every human being, from our stress, pain, or any kind of sorrow that we are undergoing. So, the importance of laughter is being focused on over here. So, I have chosen a topic that should be focused on to cure, to improve our mental state, so that our lives would be better. So here, laughter is being given importance so that we can get over our day-to-day or regular pressure, mental pressure, depression, stress, anxiety, and sorrow. So let's see how the article is getting started. Laughter is considered as a blessing in disguise in any person's life. It is the most precious moral treasure that can be wholeheartedly shared. So, students, I have given one or two lines such that people or my audiences will read the following lines by getting attracted to the first one or two to three lines. Now, students, you have to provide a very beautiful or a very striking and attractive initial lines or initial line that people will go through your whole article by reading that line, first line, suppose, or first 2 to 3 lines. So, those lines. Now, you can see that I have explained the matter, okay, and I have shared, okay, what people do feel and how good humor works, okay, and I have given, different incidents where people get cured of critical diseases also by building confidence in them through the mode of laughter. So, here I've also given or suggested what should be done, okay, so that we can have laughter therapy in our lives, okay. So, I've suggested some remedies or some solutions, okay. I've given some suggestions how we can get the treatment of laughter. Although students, laughter is an emotional state which is generally expressed that we are not priorly conscious of. So, it is a state of spontaneity. It is a state of joy. It is a state where we can feel each and every pulse of our happiness. So, some therapies related to this very thing, laughter, should be given, okay, or some treatments should be done, or some classes are to be held in different clubs or institutions where therapies of laughter or different kinds of laughter can be provided so that we can be relieved from our stress, from our burden, our pressure, our extreme anxiety and sorrow. So, you can see that I have suggested or I have given some solutions what can be done, or I have suggested some remedies as such. And with that, I have also given a beautiful ending by somewhat drawing a very important thing or a very important context and highlighting the importance of laughter as such. So, see the last two paras or paragraphs. It is often said that most difficult tasks are achieved by just a smile, which is absolutely true in these days. So, with just a smile, you can achieve many difficult tasks. So, it is necessary that we do control our anger, and with the help of smile and laughter, we would achieve or we strive for achieving difficult tasks too. Now, next see. Laughing is the best gift ever from the Almighty that makes this world a better place to live in. So I have given a very beautiful ending, okay, by highlighting that the necessity, the importance of the laughter and how it is beautiful to us. In what context? So, it is the best gift from God as such, and it makes this world a better place for us. So, we should be conscious of this treatment, or we should resort to laughter on and often to improve our mental health and our well being as such. Now, in place of these hints, a pictorial presentation or basically a picture would have been also given, where an incident or activities related to a time or to a specific moment of time could have been also given. Now, on the basis of that picture or seeing different activities or by observing different activities on that picture, you could have written an article as such, or you are, or you have to write an article as such, or suppose a line, okay, only the first line of the article writing would have been provided, or it can be provided as such, and in that case you have to extend that very line. So you have to elaborate and write down the article as such. So, with the help of hints, you can write down. Generally, article writings are given by giving hints underneath the question itself, okay, or below the question of the article writing itself. Or you can get a picture, or you can also get only the first line and some indications, maybe, okay, by which you have to write your article. So keep this in mind. Thank you, students.